rather today, but doing it with the twist. We're gonna be lit, so you already know what's about to happen. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting with the questions. So
yeah, starting number 1, right or no?
Okay. Would you rather have finger-sized nipples or nipple-sized fingers? Nipple-sized fingers.
Finger-sized nipples.
I'm just trying to figure out what they mean by nipple-sized fingers.
Nipples are little, so the nipples don't mean
long. Oh my god! Oh no. Start going with the first one.
What do you want? Nipple-sized fingers or?
Yeah, the first one, because I can't have shit just bouncing off angles. Like, we're not doing that.
Okay. Would you rather eat chocolate flavored shit or shit flavored chocolate? Chocolate flavored shit?
Yeah. Because it's not the real thing, it's like the imitation. Nobody's eating real shit, so that's out the door.
Yeah.
Like,
No.
What's up with the shit questions? Don't say, would you rather shit on someone or have someone shit on you? I'm shit on somebody. Like,
that's
you're not about to come over here like bend over your ass and just drop a load off. We're not. No.
Some people into that though.
I know. I seen that. It's like a thing. People really go like in the paint.
Which one was
Just pick anyone now. They got like, it's 71 questions, you guys.
Would you rather have sex with someone with really bad BO or really bad breath?
Bad breath. Because they can just put a muzzle on them.
Yeah.
Because if you got BO and you like arms up, thighs up, bodies up, like, and you don't got no deodorant on, that's not happening.
For me.
That's not happening. Would you rather wear someone else's dirty underwear or use their toothbrush?
Neither.
Oh my god. Yeah. When we say neither, we're just gonna take a shot. Cause that that's not what we're doing.
I'm not wearing nobody's dirty underwear.
Right, like, first of all, motherfuckers be having yeasties and stuff. Like, we're not doing that.
Yeah, no.
Bruh.
Oh. How are you? Wait.
What? You guys show what we're drinking?
Oh, we're drinking Crown Royal Vanilla. Where's the lighter?
Rather not have sex for a year or have it every day of your life but not orgasm ever. Well, what's the point?
Right, like,
not have sex for a year.
yeah.
It's not that bad.
Right, it's not. I mean, definitely is.
Yeah. Would you rather drink 2 liters of piss or 2 liters of sweat? Ew.
Neither. Like,
No, pee.
Pee.
Bitch, what?
Rather than sweat. Cause no, if you are like, they say if you're in the desert.
No, we're not in. That's not the question. Like, she's trying. No.
And you're stranded. You gotta drink pee to survive.
Yeah, but you're not stranded.
Okay, but if you had to pick one.
If the circumstances are different, I would definitely pick that. But
Sweat.
it's not.
Can't do it. Go ahead, take that shot, girl.
Oh, you already agreed to one, huh?
Yup.
No babies.
Would you rather shout all the time or whisper all the time? Shout.
Be really loud.
Yeah, no. Whisper. The fuck. Nobody gonna hear
Like,
shit you
damn,
say
bitch,
ever.
speak up. Like, can't even talk. Alright. Would you rather live without music or live without TV?
Live
Without TV. Yeah, I need music. Like, it's just a necessity.
You can watch it on your phone.
Right, like, watch music videos.
Would you rather lick a stranger's condom or eat a handful of maggots out of a dead corpse? Wow, that was intense. Eat a handful of maggots.
Yeah.
I'm not licking no condom.
I don't even want to do that, though. But, I mean, I'll do that.
Rather than lick a stranger's condom.
Because
you don't know who, what,
what's
when.
been up in there?
Would you rather be completely sober your whole life or show up to your kid's graduation completely pissed? Show up to my kid's graduation completely pissed.
Pissed?
Like drunk.
I don't know, because I don't want to ruin it, but...
Oh, be sober your whole life? That means
Nah,
nothing.
because I'm lit the fuck up. Nah, I'm lit, like, I can't.
That means nothing. No, nothing.
Like no smoking?
Nothing.
Oh,
Sober.
yeah, no. They're gonna have to take that L with me.
Just your mom lit. It's cool.
Okay. Would you rather sneeze all the time or have hiccups all the time? Sneeze. Because hiccups, I feel like it be pulling my chest out of my body.
I get a weird, like, I like when I sneeze. Like, I like the
I
feeling
know
when
for
you
that. I know
sneeze.
we be like,
Ooh,
yeah.
I've been waiting for it.
Like, anticipating the sneeze. Okay.
Would you rather be able to speak to animals or every language in the world? Every language in the world.
Damn, I'm talking to everybody. I'm going to Brazil.
Oh, but no, I would want to talk to every animal. Like,
what if they hate us? They probably like, y'all are the reason.
No, I got some questions for mosquitoes.
They're gonna bite you the fuck out. Like they're not answering nothing. Like, okay. Would you rather eat a whole jar of mayonnaise or a whole tub of butter?
Tub of butter. I like butter. You know what I mean? Not that much, but more than mayonnaise. Ew.
They both nasty, but butter, like, first of all, that's OD cholesterol. Like, you're gonna be fat as hell. Like,
But mayonnaise, oh no.
right? That's not any better.
Would you rather pay or get paid every time you have sex? Get paid.
Okay. Fuck.
That was obvious.
Right. Would you rather see the text your ex wrote about you or have them see the text you sent about them?
Have them see the text.
Yeah. I've done that before. Like, screenshotted something and sent it and was like, wrong person. Like,
I want them to see it.
don't say I want them to see it. Like, be
know
mad.
Exactly what the fuck I said. Let me see. Would you rather be a home wrecker or be home wrecked? Home wrecked.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be fucking with somebody else's stuff.
Yeah, you can try and wreck mine though.
Right. Let me try. Okay. Would
you rather have a bell go off every time you're horny or never you're horny? A bell.
Yeah. They're gonna be like, damn, bitch. They're gonna be mad at everybody.
Like, what the fuck is that?
Would you rather eat poison ivy or a handful of wasp?
Poison ivy?
Oh my god, no, because that make you itch. Your throat gonna be itching.
Okay, but
God.
wasp, I'm not gonna be able to get them bitches down.
I'm gonna have to take the wasp. Because in foreign countries, they eat them.
Are they dead or are they alive?
Oh, I'm gonna make sure they're dead. I don't give a fuck. I gotta burn them first.
Okay. Would you rather be just friends with someone you love or marry someone you hate?
Just friends with someone, yeah.
Because, I mean, at least they still in your life.
Right. If you marry someone you hate, it's like you sit in a house like, damn, like,
what am I doing?
bitch, I hate you. Like, incarnate yourself. Would you rather come back as human or animal?
Can I pick the animal?
I guess, yeah. What?
Yeah. An eagle.
I'm come back as human. They gonna try to. Cause if I come back as an animal, like if I come back as a pig, 2 weeks later I'm bacon. Like
an eagle, they can fly away.
People be shooting them. Like, pigeons can fly away. They still be getting hit.
I'm gonna be an animal, an elephant. Something nice like that. Would you rather have sex with a hideously ugly person or a beautiful fresh corpse? What the fuck?
Who's fucking corpse?
A hideous
right.
person.
Just put a bag on your head. That's
Don't
just
look at
happen.
me.
Right. Like, Okay. What? Would you rather eat your family pet or kill your parents? They got real dark.
Yeah,
like it got real dark as
I'm
fuck.
gonna say
Like we're gonna pass
that
on both of
one.
those. Like, oh, we gotta take a shot now.
Oh yeah, go first.
They are wild.
First of all, pets usually be like dogs and shit. Everybody eat a dog. Would you rather be a character in an action-packed thriller or a romantic comedy?
I'm in an action.
Yeah.
Bitch, I want to be a
I wanna
ninja.
be
I'm
like
trying to
Salt
be
or some shit.
okay, bitch. Angelina Jolie with the shits.
Or be a part of an arranged marriage or spend life as a single. Spend life as a
Single,
person.
right? Or I'm not arranged to get married to anyone. Like,
Nigga.
we're not doing that. Would you rather be locked in an amusement park or a library? Amusement park.
Yeah. Ride the rides all day.
Just make sure, okay?
Would you rather get rich through hard work or through winning the lottery? Winning the lottery. What
The lottery.
Fuck
Fuck,
hard
I'm
work.
dropping everything on a drop of a dime and I'm going. Like, I'm changing my whole life. I'm not even showing up as me. Like, bitch, I'm like in a suit. Would you rather date someone you met online or go on a blind date?
That's what I meant, like.
Yeah, because a blind date, like, at least I know what you look like or have
Because
some type
nowadays
of...
that's more common too.
Yeah.
Like Instagram. Shit
Right.
Like that.
As far as blind date, like, you could be 90-year-old man and I don't
Yeah.
know, like...
On some weird shit.
If we pop-pops, we're gonna have a little discussion because we're not doing this, like... Alright, you guys, so thanks for tuning in with me, my best friend. We will be seeing more content soon, so please like and subscribe to my channel.